Hello everyone, go you want to experience the Scope ROM look in your custom ROM. So this ROM is specially for you if you love Scope ROM experience. This ROM is very stable and very smooth. It is just like a Scope ROM. The user experience of this ROM is very good. It is very stable and very smooth. So today we are going to review the custom ROM Nitrogen OS 4 and Asus Gen 4 Max Pro M. It is my second build after Okavi OS. So you can check here the Perf Plus kernel is used in this ROM and also Android security update is of July 5. So let's start the video. Before going to get going, forget to subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends. First of all, we are going to check its quick. You can check here. It is very simple and very stable. You can check here the Bluetooth sound is working very good. Also, you check here get all the another function are working perfectly. Battery saving mode is working perfectly. In addition to it, all another function like screen recording is working perfectly. You can check here. You can record internal audio and mic audio without any problem. Also Garcam and Nightlag mode are working perfectly. In work color is working perfectly. So you will not have any issue in this room while using this simple option, simple feature. So you will not have any problem. Also you can check here, you can customize the quick Kyle option here. You can also use Janbark option here in quick Kyle without any problem. Also let's check another option in this room like network and connect. You will not have any problem in Wi-Fi connectivity or hotspot connectivity. You will have a very good system of gauge go settings without any problem. Also in case of Bluetooth sound, you can check here Bluetooth device is connected without any problem and it is working very fine. If I talk about battery, the battery backup of this ROM is very good. You will have a great battery backup because it is just like Scope ROM experience. Also in case of display, you can check here Nike like and hang another option working perfectly. If I talk about double tap to sleep and double tap to wake up option, it is working everywhere except the lock screen. You cannot use double tap to wake on lock screen because it's not available in Scope ROM. So you will not have this option, but another option working perfectly. Also screen location is working perfectly without any problem in English ROM. Also some another option given like sound. If I talk about sound quality is very good in this ROM. The vibration is also working. You will not have any issue using this ROM for sound purpose like media volume or gaming sound. All the options are working perfectly in this ROM. You will have no any issue. Also in case of storage, you can customize and privacy. You can usually use these options. If I talk about security option, you can check here the face lock is working perfectly. Also you can check here the fingerprint unlock is going very good. You will have smart lock option here which is working very perfectly. In case of accessibility, you can check here color inversion system navigation. In system navigation, you can easily use gesture navigation. So it is very good option in this ROM. Like in Genpark, you can use Genpark without any problem. You have Genpark option in this ROM. This is working very fine. You can use and try to use some another option in case of Genpark if you like it using. Also in case of personalization, you can check here some normal customization options are given, not much high because it is scope look like ROM, so you will not have much customization. You can check here in case system setting, direct sound and wallpaper option are given, so you can use this option also in this ROM without any problem. If I talk about phone, you check here some another option also given. If I talk about applications, you can check here in YouTube. The sound volume is very good. You will not have any issue in sound quality. It is not much high, but it's good for normal usage. So you will not have any problem. If I talk about banking apps, Yono SBI is not working, but all other apps like HDFC Net Banking or PhonePe, Google Pay, all are working. Paytm is also working, but Yono SBI is not working in this ROM. Yono Like is working, but Yono SBI not working. If I talk about here some sensor cache, you can check here all the sensors are working perfectly like accelerometer, proximity sensor, magnetometer, compass. All these sensors are working perfectly. You will not have barometer in device as you know. If I talk about safety net status, it is failed. It is CKS profile failed in this ROM. We have tried to go it correctly, but being successful. Also in case of Nickrook checker, you can check here it is by default no cookie ROM, which is very good for this. Also you can check here the Geekbench score for this ROM is quite normal, not much high, but it's good for its performance like 85 and 1208 has gained the score. If I talk about calling, you will not have any option like Wi-Fi calling or cold calling option in this ROM, which is not good for this ROM. If I talk about the certification of Play Store, you can check here device is not certified. So device is not certified, the Play Store certification is failed in this. If I talk about Google Assistant, it is working perfectly. You will not have any problem to use Google Assistant. Why? Simple. Or also in case of earphone, you can use this option. If I talk about camera, you will have inbuilt 8.1 Google camera in this option, which is very good. All the functions are working perfectly in this Google camera. It is first time we added Google camera in this ROM, which is very good. You can use all the options without any problem. So Google camera is very good thing in this ROM, which is quite good. You can check here some photos I have taken using this. Also the video and portrait mode is working perfectly without any problem. You can check here. The video quality is very good. You will not have any issue. So being Google camera in this build is very good. You will not have any issue using Google camera, but you need to install Google Focus to view the focus directly from Google camera. So don't forget to install Google Focus to use this Gcam to watch the focus directly from Google camera. So this is the video for Google. Let's make a next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay connected, stay updated.